Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Yes, please remember to leave me one little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content coming your way. Okay. Now my peeps, let's get into this video. I'm gonna make some lemon pepper barbecue chicken wings. Yes, it's gonna have that good tangy and sweet and sour flavor all at the same time. Okay, let's get into it. So this is my lemon pepper seasoning, and I'm gonna go in with generous 2 teaspoons. All right, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of onion powder, some black pepper, teaspoon of my garlic powder, my Maggi all-purpose, another teaspoon, and about a teaspoon of my all-purpose seasoning, about 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1, 2, and I'm gonna put a little bit of my ginger paste. I'm gonna go in with a teaspoon, and this is my blended seasoning. I will leave a link. I'm also gonna add 2 teaspoons, a teaspoon of cold pressed extra virgin olive oil. And now my peeps, we're gonna mix this together. After, I'm gonna baste it with the barbecue sauce. All right guys, you can leave this for a few hours well, or even overnight. Okay, and then we're gonna come back. All right my peeps, I'm back, and look at the goodness. Now I'm gonna put about a teaspoon of olive oil just to grease the bottom. I'm gonna bake them, okay guys? You can deep fry them if you want. All right, and I'm gonna pour out everything. Look at that goodness. And you just want to fix them right. All right my peeps, look at the goodness. So when you fix them right like that, we're gonna pop it in the oven, and my oven is heating at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna pop it in for the first say 35 to 45 minutes, and then we're gonna come back, okay, and flip them over. All right my peeps, and this is where I'm at, and this is about 45 minutes in. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna flip them over a little bit, because remember we didn't put any color on it, right guys? So I go white a little bit first, and then we're just gonna make it catch some color. So flip them over. It smells so good. All right guys, I'm gonna pop this in for another 40-45 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back. My peeps, I took them out, and now I have my barbecue sauce, any barbecue sauce of your choice, and you just want to brush them on it, and you just want to brush it on them. All right, I'm gonna pop this in for like 10-15 minutes, and then I'm gonna flip it over and I'm gonna put the rest on it, and then I'm gonna come back and show you the final result. All right, my peeps, I'm done, and look at the goodness. All right, so I have a container here, a plate, and we're just gonna put some here. I don't know, my kitchen seems to be extra dark today, guys, but bear with me. Quite a mash up. Ooh. One more. All right, my peeps, and this is the goodness. Yes, and over here I have some, like, it's hot dog bun, and I put some cheese in it, so we're gonna put piece right there. And over here I have some mango slices. Just gonna try to fit. Gonna put a little bit of the gravy. All right, my peeps, and this is what I'm serving up. All right. So I serve it up with some bread and cheese, my lemon pepper, barbecue chicken, and some mango. Can you see the goodness? That's what I'm talking about, guys.